Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the Enter is Send feature on WhatsApp Web when using it on your PC. If you prefer to send messages with just a quick tap of the Enter key, this new update makes it super easy to set up. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to whatsapp.com. If you're not logged in yet, simply scan the QR code with your phone to connect WhatsApp Web to your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main chat screen, look for the gear icon in the left side menu. This is located right under your profile picture, in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open your settings. From the settings menu, select Chats. This is where you'll find all your chat-related preferences, including how messages are sent. Now, in the Chats menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Enter is Send. This setting controls how the Enter key behaves while typing messages. If this option is disabled, hitting Enter just moves the cursor to the next line, but when it's enabled, hitting Enter will automatically send the message. To enable Enter is Send, simply check the box next to it. Once you do this, every time you press Enter, your message will be sent immediately. This is a great way to speed up your messaging, especially if you prefer a more streamlined experience. And that's it. You've now enabled the Enter is Send feature on WhatsApp Web. No more accidental extra spaces or needing to hit Control plus Enter. Just a simple tap, and your message is on its way. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.